In today's video, I am going to teach you how to group rows in Excel. Grouping rows is a very useful way to organize a worksheet, especially when you are working with sections of data that you want to hide and show quickly. It helps keep your spreadsheet clean and makes it easier to focus on the information that matters at the moment. To begin, move to the far left side of your worksheet where the row numbers are displayed. Click on the first row number that you want to include. Then click and drag downward to highlight all of the full rows you want to group together. Make sure you are selecting the row numbers themselves, not just the cells inside the sheet. This is important because Excel needs the entire rows selected in order to group them properly. Once your rows are highlighted, go to the top of the Excel window and click on the Data tab in the ribbon. This tab contains tools for sorting, filtering, and outlining data, and the grouping feature is located here as part of the Outline tools. After you are on the Data tab, look over to the far right side of the ribbon. There you will find the Group button inside the Outline section. Click Group, and Excel will immediately create a grouped section for the rows you selected. This is what turns those separate rows into a collapsible section. As soon as the group is created, you will notice an outline bar appear to the left of the row numbers. You will also see a minus sign next to the grouped rows. Clicking the minus sign will collapse the group and hide those rows from view. This is helpful when you want to reduce clutter and only show summary information or the parts of the sheet you are actively using. When you want to see those rows again, click the plus sign that appears in place of the minus sign. That will expand the group and bring all of the hidden rows back into view. You can switch between collapsed and expanded views anytime, which makes this feature especially useful for large spreadsheets. If the group does not appear right away, small selection mistakes can prevent the feature from working as expected. That covers everything you need to know.